I hit your foot. Good shit, Lex. You just caught hit. There's a guy behind you. There's literally a guy right next to you. Don't want to get fucking shot, move out of the way. He's not, I'm not shooting at him, there's somebody behind him.
Oh.
And that guy's not fucking dead either.
That's Jimmy, that's Jimmy. He's not dead now? Yeah, no, he's blinded,
Hey, we're about to get fucked by that tank.
You have anything on you?
No, man. I just have this gun.
The guy with the bag is back there.
Yeah, dude, we're so fucked. Okay, new plan of attack. We get on the other side of cover.
As soon as it gets over there,
get over here and point at our team. Maybe they won't shoot us.
Hey, yo, bro! Who's got the fucking pouch? Who's got the fucking tank pouch?
Guys, we're moving around.
That is like totally fucking awesome of a fucking
Come on, bro. Come on.
Both of y'all died? That's crazy. I've never seen you guys die. This is like seeing a fucking YouTube outlet.
I'm just gonna fuck.
What? Oh man, that could have been my kill.
Bro, you better not snitch.
You're dead, baby! 3, 4, 5, 6.
You guys look so fucking miserable.
Us?
Yeah, y'all are just like, fuck this shit. And then there's a guy fucking pointing his gun at me right now. I'm just chilling. Is it against the rules
1257.
if I go take cover behind that tank?
Jimmy, I'd like to say that your mustache is looking extra exquisite.
It's a destroyed tank? Oh, well, okay.
We literally just destroyed it right in front of you.
Huh? That is illegal. Get out of here.
No, it was legal.
What? No, the tank's dead. Get out of here.
Yeah, it's a destroyed tank. They said I could take cover behind
No,
it.
you can't get
That's
out
what
of here.
Jimmy said.
Jimmy!
He's the owner.
What the? Jimmy, we're dead. He can't take cover from